Hello everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to another vlog. So in this particular video, I want your help, a little help to decide which I was struggling for last 7 days. Basically, I just want to level up my video production, and for that purpose, I want to have music subscription. So I want to have the music subscription online. So basically, I want the background music or the music for my videos, so that I can just level up my production. And for that purpose, I'm a little confused since YouTube library doesn't have quality tracks, and they are also very limited. And if you go for the sound effects or effects, then they are also not that great, and they are also very limited. So I want you to help me out to decide whether should I go for the paid subscription of music services or royalty free services. Like one which is very popular is Epidemic Sound, and the second one is the Artlist, and the third one is, I think, Soundstripe. So which one should I go for? If you are also using one of them in your videos or for your channel, then please do let me know in the comment section below how is your experience, and whether I should buy that one or should I carry on working with the free one. Since my channel is not making that much of money, so I have to just make some arrangements to buy the subscription of one of these services. So I was going through their plans, though they are very affordable for a grown-up channel, but for the beginners just like me, I'm also a beginner, since I don't have that much of following or I don't get that much of views on my videos, and I am also making very less from this channel, so this is not that affordable. But $15 is a considerable amount. You can somehow manage $15 per month. So that's the subscription based service. So you have to pay each month to use those sounds. So Epidemic Sounds, they have around 30,000 or 32,000 tracks at this time, plus they have 60,000 something sound effects, and you can either pay annually or monthly. And how the Epidemic Sound works, you have to just keep on paying them, and you can use the unlimited downloads. You can download unlimited songs, and you can use them, and you won't get the copyright claim if you have just downloaded them and used them while you were having a active subscription. And the second option which I have, that is of the Artlist. Artlist is also of the same amount, so they also charge $15 per month, but they charge you annually, so you just don't have the option of paying monthly, so that you cannot cancel it. You can cancel it only after a year, because they charge you annually and you have to pay $200 something initially upfront. So that's the large amount comparing to $15 per month. But the good thing about the Artlist is that you can download those songs and those would be yours forever. So you can just use them later on, even after you cancel your subscription. So that's the big benefit of Artlist. They have limited tracks at this time, but they are adding more each month. So same is with the Epidemic Sound as well. They are also adding new songs every month, alright? And Soundstripe, I'm not sure about them, so I don't know much about them. But I've heard that some people use the Soundstripe as well. And earlier people were complaining that their search algorithm or the search option is very, very bad. So if you want to find out a particular music, you may not find, because there are so many music that you end up getting frustrated and not downloading anything. But Epidemic Sound, they have improved their interface and the search option as well. So now they have categorized into different genre, moods, and tracks and artists, I think. So now that's very easy. So, but at this moment, problem with the Epidemic Sound is one more thing, that you can just use them only for one YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram and Twitch. Alright, so outside these if you are doing some client's work, you cannot use the basic plan or the beginner plan. For that purpose, you have to buy the second plan, and that is around $49 a month. So that's way costly compared to the beginner one. And I have 2-3 channels, and I just upload some of my videos there as well, so that would be a problem for me if I go with the Epidemic Sound. But Artlist, in the Artlist you don't have any such limitations, so you can just download it and use it with any projects you want. You can just use it for client work or for the freelancing work or for your own channel or for your client channel, so you won't get a copyright strike. So that's the best thing about the Artlist. The only bar for the Artlist is that you have to pay upfront. So that's the biggest problem I'm facing this time, because at this time I'm not able to afford that. Alright, so these are the problem I'm facing, so I'm confused. So I just want your advice. Which one should I pick? Should I go for the Epidemic Sound or should I go for the Artlist? Or should I leave both of these at this moment, since I'm not making that much of money from my channels, and I should go with the whatever available on the audio library on YouTube? So do let me know, and what's your experience about these, or if any of your friend is using any kind of a service, whether Epidemic Sound, Artlist or anything else. Do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.